Hi, it's Allie Rittenhouse from Allie Rittenhouse International, and I am going to show you how to make a website that shows up on Google. When you create a website, you want it to be found by people, and having it show up on Google is how people are going to find you. Let's go ahead and get started. There are a couple steps that you want to take in order to submit your website to Google. The first thing we want to do is open up our browser, and we are going to navigate to google.com/submit your content /business owner. And this link allows for you to submit your URL to Google so that they know that your website is out there, and they can begin to send spiders to it to check for new content that will also help with your rankings. So in order to submit your URL, you can see under web it says add your URL. You want to click there now. From there, you are going to enter in a new URL for Google to begin to search for. And then submit request. Once you do that, your request has been received, and they will check your site out and begin to start ranking you and finding your website. From there, you want to move to Google's Webmaster tools. You can navigate to there by going to google.com/webmaster/tools. And there you are also going to want to submit your site in the Webmaster tools. This will help you to tell you if you need to do things to change the optimization. It tells you if there's a problem with Google's bots accessing your website, and so much more. To add your website, you want to click Add a Website over on the right-hand side. From there, you're going to enter in the URL that you want to submit to Google. And then from there, you want to click Continue. You will need to verify your website and that you have permission and that you are for sure the owner of this website. I like to confirm this process using my Google Analytics account. To do so, you can click on Alternative Methods and then select the radio button for Google Analytics. And because I'm already signed into my Google Analytics account from just being signed into Google, when I click Verify, it's going to check and grant access because I have my Google Analytics account tied in with the URL that I just submitted. Another great tip for getting your website found by Google is creating a website that has a blog. WordPress is a great platform that allows for you to have your blog integrated in with your website. Blogging creates new content, which gets Google's bots coming back to your site every time you submit a new post. This is helping them find you and rank you higher. So that is how to make a website that shows up on Google. This has been Allie Rittenhouse, and I hope you enjoyed this video.